all the bad habits there were, I would be doing that. Waking up late, eating junk food, not exercising or working out, scrolling, watching mindless YouTube videos, and not being focused on the goals that I had. One day I came across one video and that completely changed my life. The video was talking about self-improvement, and it's basically just incorporating the good habits into your life, such as going to the gym, reading, meditation, journaling, dopamine detox, sleeping early, all those good habits. In the long term, it will really benefit your physical, mental health, and all other areas of your life. And that's exactly what happened to me. I knew I had to do this. I knew I had to focus on self-improvement. Self-improvement was key in me just starting this YouTube channel. And when we want to change, we have to perceive ourselves as if we are that person that we want to become. And if we can do that, then we can just take the actions required as if that person, and it will just align and we can become that person. You have to accept that you want to change and grow, so you have to just accept whatever's happening, whatever's happened, and just move on with the good habits that you want to embrace into your life. In the beginning, it feels like like a chore, that it's annoying or that we don't want to do it. But once you just start practicing it again and again and realize the long-term benefits, and once you get the benefits, then you'll want to continue and do more of this, and you'll be more focused and be more obsessed with self-improvement, because after all, this is about yourself. You would want to improve yourself and all the other areas in your life. These self-improvement habits will not be able to be done in this generation, in these times, because of the technology advancements that are going on, and it's increasing at a rapidly rate. So we have to become aware of what technology can do to us if we do not control our mind, and we have to take care of ourselves, and we have to just be focused on improving all areas of our life, and know that we can achieve any goal, any dream that we have, once we have the clarity and improve the mindset. And that this becomes more clear when you're doing the good habits regularly, consistently. Like, technology is increasing with AI also, so who knows in like 5 to 10 years what's gonna happen. And in 5 to 10 years you would want to become successful, right? You want to become a person like you have in mind, right? And if you don't start today, you're never gonna reach the goal that you have in mind. Have in mind, visualize the person that you want to become right now. What is he or she wearing? How does he look like? How does he or she walk, talk, do? How much money does he earn? Where does he live? Is he married? What car he has? And all those things. Just visualize and realize that all those goals, visualizations, can become true. But we have to take the action today, right now, and just take the action. Don't think, just do whatever it is, whatever good habit if you want to implement, just start it. Don't think about it, because your own brain will be against you. The mind will not tell us the correct thing. So we have to just realize whatever good habits, like gym, working out, journaling, meditation, dopamine detox, and all those things. Especially the phone addiction is there, so delete the apps, and just, you're going to be contemplating like whether or not should I delete it or not, but just do it. Those times when you doubt like should I do it or not, just do it, and just trust that your future self will thank you for doing that, because then after that you'll be able to perceive new things because of the change that you have made. Maybe not willingly, but because of the force and the reminder I'm giving you right now, and that can really help you. Self-improvement is the key to just going in a path where you will see different things, and that will really have a new perception for you in life, and you'll just be loving your life so much more, and you'll just be wanting to do the good habits more and more, and that will lead you to success. The process is difficult, but if you start now, you can do it. I believe in you, and I think this is the moment. One day or day one.